I see a tail wagging. I see a tail wagging. What are you doing? Don't kill the lizards. They're good for us baby girls. Yes, they make mommy's flowers pretty. We don't want anybody killing any lizards here. Yes, mommy has to go ahead and water her flowers. And I hope the oh. There. Did you find something, girls? Such hunters we have. Two little pretty girls that are hunting all day long. Yes, it's too hot for Mom. Look, her flowers are dying over here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I got to water everything. Trying to get the dogs to come out front. Wow, what happened to my flowers? Oh my gosh, it's like growing sideways. That's kind of weird how they're growing like that. And we have the hunting girls. Look at that little bird I just saw. Do you see him? Coco, what's this? Is there a bird? Coco. Oh, that's mean. Okay, I'm not gonna make her see the bird. She's having too much fun. Come on, girls, it's kind of hot out here. Yes, we need to get the pool out and we need to fill it up so then we can play and have fun. Yes, we need to go put this in the shade. The grass will get cut today, so we don't, that's why Daddy put this away. All right, well then I'm gonna put it right here. Maybe there's a lizard over here. Maybe there's a lizard over here. Maybe there's a lizard over here. They like to grow, they like to play on the fence. I'm just following the leader. Yes, I know. It's Mom.